Welcome back to Smart Bites, where we share practical tips for personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we're tackling an important question. How can you make time for personal growth in your busy life? Life is hectic. Between work, family responsibilities, and daily tasks, it can feel impossible to carve out time for yourself. But here's the truth. Personal growth isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So, how do you find time for it when your schedule is already packed? First, make personal growth a priority. Treat it like an important appointment that you can't miss. Whether it's reading, learning a new skill, or taking time for reflection, schedule it into your day just as you would a meeting or a workout. Remember, what gets scheduled gets done. You don't need hours at a time to focus on personal growth. Start small. Dedicate just 10 to 15 minutes a day to activities that push you forward. Whether that's journaling, listening to an inspiring podcast, or reading a chapter of a book, consistent small efforts add up to big changes over time. Another tip is to combine personal growth with everyday activities. Listen to audiobooks while commuting or exercising. Watch tutorials or educational videos during breaks or meals. This way, you're turning ordinary moments into learning opportunities. Protect your personal growth time by setting boundaries. This means saying no to tasks and commitments that don't align with your priorities. Remember, every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that could help you grow. Making time for personal growth isn't just about finding time. It's about choosing to make time. It's a commitment to yourself that pays off in confidence, skills, and long-term happiness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Join us at Smart Bites for more quick, actionable advice for a better you. Remember, personal growth is always worth your time. Smart Bites, quick learning for a better you.